My name is Mansi Suvarna Vilas Jagtap. I am in the 7th class. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Satefal. Today I present spelling bee activity. ALREADY. Already. Already means adich. ARRANGE. Arrange means व्यवस्था करणे. ARTIST. Artist means कलाकार. BAKERY. Bakery means bakery. BEACON. Beacon means दीपस्तंभ. BORDER. Border means सीमा. CANDLE. Candle means मेणबत्ती. CAPITAL. Capital means राजधानी. CRASHED. Crashed means कोसळले. DANCER. Dancer means नर्तक. DANGER. Danger means धोका. DRAWING. Drawing means चित्र. EFFORTS. Efforts means प्रयत्न. ELASTIC. Elastic means लवचिक. Energy means ऊर्जा. FARMER. Farmer means शेतकरी. FELING. Feeling means भावना किंवा जाण. FLYING. Flying means उडणारा. GLOWING. Glowing means चमकणारा. GROWTH. Growth means वाढ. Thank you.